my name is Linda. I live in Switzerland currently. I'm originally half German and half British, and I met Nora last year when I came to Mahn the first time to teach a course in Hydrogen Chemistry at JUTEC.
Yes.
So I'm back now.
Yes. And what's your name and where are you from? Sing as well.
My name is Siva and I'm from Sri Lanka.
How long have you been in Oman? How many years?
For 4 years I has been. I'm
And you, what's your hobby? You have to share your hobby.
for music and dancing and collecting shells especially.
Very important, collecting shells.
Yeah.
I need to take a video of your shell collection at one point to show my friends because it's amazing. Really great. So, you both want to have a song. We want to sing it together. Okay, it's a song, Bia, Manidus Bia, the Bluetooth song. And yeah, let's start it. Let's start it. Yeah?
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay.